In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile two payments to one invoice in Xero. This is a useful feature when you've received multiple payments from a client but need to match them to a single invoice. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your main hub where you'll manage financial transactions and accounts. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to navigate to your bank accounts. Look for the bank accounts option, which is usually located at the top of the dashboard. Clicking on this will direct you to a new page where all your linked bank accounts are visible. Now you should see a list of different options or tabs under each bank account. Locate the Manage Account button. It might not always stand out, so take a moment if you need to find it. When you click on Manage Account, a drop-down menu appears, and here you'll need to select Reconcile Account. This action will take you into the reconciliation area of Xero, where all the magic happens. In the reconciliation area, you're going to see various transactions that have been imported from your bank. What you want to do next is click on the Find and Match option. This tool will allow you to match existing bank transactions to invoices entered in Xero. It can be a bit overwhelming with all the numbers and transactions, but remember, you're looking specifically for the payments that need to be reconciled to your invoice. Next, you'll need to highlight the specific payments that relate to the invoice you are working on. Usually, you'll see a column or a section where this is possible. You'll highlight the first payment, then move down the list to find the second payment, and go ahead and highlight that one too. Once both payments are highlighted, you'll usually see a balance that confirms the amounts tally up to the invoice total. It's always good to double check that the payments correctly correspond to the invoice, preventing any inconsistencies in your records. Finally, with everything in place, the last step is crucial. You need to click on the Reconcile button. This action finalizes the process, marking those payments as reconciled against the invoice. Ensure that all details are correct before clicking this button, as it updates your records in Xero. And there you have it! By following these steps, you've successfully reconciled two payments to one invoice in Xero. It's a straightforward process, but ensuring accuracy throughout is key. Remember to regularly reconcile your accounts to keep your financial information up to date, which is a critical part of managing your business finances effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.